Hello, and thank you so much for joining me in this case study video where we are showing you exactly how you can get first on maps searches when people are searching for your business locally. My name is Mikey Shattuck. I'm the founder of First on Maps, and we'll be walking you through here exactly what is happening when people are searching and then how you can leverage that really in a way that is not available any other way. Because what you see here, and I would really encourage you to go and test this out for your business. You can go and just search multiple different things that would be related to your business, and you will see that there will be a Google Maps listing that will show up at the top above everything else, above all of these links down here, above, which have, I mean, Yelp is a huge website. Wikipedia is the one of the biggest websites on the internet. So what is happening is Google is prioritizing. They started doing this in 2018, prioritizing local maps listings for people related to certain types of searches when people are looking for something locally. How people can win that are actually the dispensary owners is by utilizing search engine optimization to get their dispensary, if that was the case for this particular case study, to the number one spot by really a couple of different things. And the first thing is mainly what you see here is the title of the business, right? You see where it's located, and then the phone number. You see the type of category that it is. This one is categorized incorrectly. Herb shop is not the correct categorization. Cannabis store is. And then inside of this is a lot more information about the business. And what's important is Google only knows what you give it. So if you are not giving it the most in-depth and correct information, then you're going to be missing out a ton on your organic rankings. So in order to really stay at the top here, all that really matters is that you have all of your information filled out correctly. And when Google goes and looks at what you're doing around the web and who you are, that it's the most filled out information there. So the location, the name, the phone number, your address, everything like that really, really makes a big difference because Google doesn't know what your business is. They only know what your business information is. So you need to have consistency there. After you have major consistency and your business is in every possible local business listing that's available on the internet, so all of this business information, the name, the location, the phone number, the address of the business, all of this stuff makes a big difference in where it's located and how it's located, to the point of even if this R was capitalized or not capitalized, that needs to be consistent across the board for every place that your business is listed on the internet. This is just how to have a solid foundation of proper search engine optimization so that your business will be shown for relevant searches. The next level is very simply the more websites that are pointed to your Google Place listing. So this is actually a Google Places listing. There's a direct link to this listing here. And the more websites that are pointing to this listing means the more authority and popularity this listing will have locally when people are searching. And the main thing on how that works is based off of really, it's kind of like high school in a way. If you're really popular, it's because everybody knows who you are and they're talking about you a lot. So Google looks at all of the internet because they are a search engine, and they then will find all of the information related to your business. And then also they'll find all of the websites that have your information and your link on it that are pointing back to your Google Places, your Google My Places listing. This is how you can then show up on every major search, phrase that you can think of. I mean, we have a ton that we know how to find. And then you can really make sure that you are at the number one spot here. The biggest benefit is for multi-location businesses because of interlinking that you can do between all of your locations. This is how you build the most authority. So this is where we become really the most helpful, is if you are a multi-location business and you want to get into the top 3 spots that we show you here, which is called the 3-pack. If you want to show up in the top 3 spots here for every search, no matter where you're, within a 10-mile radius of your dispensary, I would say, that is what we can do the best for multi-location businesses. So if you're interested in talking more and finding out how this can work for your business, then click the link below and you can schedule a quick little consultation call with us, and we'll just break down a little bit more specifically on how we can help you get Google Maps listings to the first spots. But really, we basically have a network of websites that we use to be able to constantly be putting your information onto and have links coming back to you. That's the most important thing. The more links you have coming back to you, the more content you're producing as a Google Place, because in Google Places, you can actually have content that you can have posts. They've updated a lot of stuff that a lot of people don't really realize. All your pictures, all your posts, all of these reviews, everything like that really does matter. It makes a big difference in how you are ranked. And more importantly, having it actually connect back to a tangible ranking that you can see, and you can't even do ads to get here. This only shows up by having the proper optimization. That is exactly what we do. So if you have any questions about going further and getting your guaranteed spot, I mean, we could pretty much guarantee that we can get you into the top 3 spots here for any search phrase locally, for every location that your business has. So click on the link below, schedule a call, and let's get you ranked as fast as possible. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to talking